feels heavy.
Hi guys, how are you today? Of course, it's me, your one and only friend around the world, Karen. So today I am here with Bro Rodney sa Pizza Hut Santa Ana, and of course we will be seeing our very special and close friend, of course, around the world, and he is not only just a friend and very good supporter, but a true friend and a mentor for me. So, later on, we'll be back. Hello everyone! Introducing my mentor and longtime friend, Kuya Wainada!
Yeah, legit, thank you, Wainada. Ayan, thank you.
Ito po yung aking malupit na mentor. Very good singer and friend.
Sana all lang. Sana all singer.
Siyempre, meron po cameraman. Say hi. Cameraman.
Hi.
Oh, kasama namin yan si Bro Rando.
Guys, ito po yung link na doon. Today is the very first day na nakita ko na yung person ng aking very good mentor and friend.
Kasi dati puro YouTube lang kami. Sa mga live yan. Ayan, sa haba-haba ng panahon yan, nakita na kami.
Very supportive to DJ Wainada.
Ayan, paki-visit DJ Wainada. Ayan, wala na mga upload yan to guys.
Very good singer po to.
Yan, pa-support Sweet Caroline 168.
Thank you so much, guys. We'll always see you around. Have a wonderful and blessed day.
Alright.
Let your heart be free. Let the universe hear your energy. Through every tear, through every pain, love will always rise again. Sweet Caroline, once